Today we are doing something a bit more different. Very often I react to videos, very often I feel with videos I get sidetracked. So today, and since I promised it to you guys, I'll do a full reaction video on the latest EP of Dimhall called Himlakroppar. In Swedish means heavenly bodies or celestial bodies. And we'll be checking out, luckily it's only 2 songs though, but quite lengthy songs. Obviously we're talking about progressive, folk-inspired melodic death kind of mixture. I haven't had the chance to check out Dimhall in its full. I know they have like another EP out and a single, I think. So I'm fairly new to the game. So, and without further ado, we'll start with the first song called Twin Solar, meaning 2 suns. So, and after that, we'll jump straight into Mangaton, or correct me if I'm wrong. Again, I'm not Swedish speaker, so we'll see where this is going. I have high hopes for this. I'm a big fan of, anything progressive, anything that kind of resembles Wilderun or, Equilibrium, stuff like that. Bands that gets associated with them. So here we go. Twin Solar by Dimhall of their latest EP, Himlakroppar. Nice. A lot of synth. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, we sing in Swedish, by the way. Okay. He got angry. Very raspy voice. I really like that. It reminds me heavily of Borknagar and Wintersorg. So that's a plus. Give me the growls, man. Where are we going with this? I expect a solo, at least one. Back to the chorus. There's so much going on in the background. There's really... I need a few listens more of this song. Ooh, get in there. Getting the highs, bro. Okay, I'll just take a quick break here. That was Twin Solar by Dimhall. Damn, there was so much going on in the background. So much ambience. I mean, it obviously started with a lot of ambience and synthesizers, but vocally as well. So I need to probably trace back after this and listen to the song a few more times, because it seems like a very basic song, but I feel there's kind of so much hidden in the background, and that has, like, luckily there's no video, because I might have just focused on the video, so this helps me quite a bit in terms of reacting to the song itself. Again, it reminds me very heavily of Borknagar, Wintersorg, more of their latest records. His voice is very raspy but still clean. I really like that. And I think with that we'll jump straight into the second song, because we're doing two songs today. Lucky you guys. Mangathon. I don't know how you pronounce it. Sorry. We'll jump straight into that. Again, excited to see what is next. So here we go. Okay. Okay. Very proggy, this one. Such a voluminous voice. Ooh, epic. Somehow I get goosebumps. What is going on? I really liked it. I really like it. I can't figure out which one I like more, to be fair. This is like the perfect breather. Small, slower intersection. Phew, damn. There's so much going on in these two songs. It's crazy. So much shit in the background. It's really like. It's really tough to follow everything. It seems very, again, to some, this might seem a bit too basic, for sure. And I kind of get it. But headphones on and listen to this. I will definitely do this again. Wow, I was not expecting. I expected something more generic, meaning less interesting. This is way more interesting than many of these folk or Swedish or Norwegian or whatever folk metal bands that I know of the recent years. This to me sounds way more interesting because it has way more layers. The lyrics, even though I can't understand them, but the voice is seriously a standout, and also like the interplay between the more slower sections and yeah, I don't know, it's just a very nice ensemble that somehow works very well, even though it's just two songs. For an EP, maybe a bit too short, but seriously interesting songs and interesting vibes. I will definitely check out what Dimhall and the EP Himlakroppar and what they did before, because I haven't been able to follow up yet, but now I definitely have some homework to do. This was seriously interesting and way more interesting than I was expecting. So I'm seriously thankful for them to obviously reaching out to us. I would have missed this for sure. So I highly recommend that you check it out. I will put all the links you need from Dimhall in the link in the description below. Check them out, support them on Bandcamp, whatever. Check out their video. I'm sure they have a YouTube channel. And with that said, that's it for today's reaction. A bit more of a different approach to reaction videos. I might do that again, even with full records and stuff, because I feel it's way more you're way more focused with these kind of reaction videos. And with that said, thank you very much for watching, and we see us very soon. Cheers. Bye.